Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. Driven Dave here. I'm really happy to have you with me. Today on the channel I've got something from my friends at EVOOOR, and as you can see right behind me here, I've got my 2022 Tesla Model 3. And the product I'm going to show you is going to be for Model 3 or Model Y. Installation should be, I think, exactly the same. I've been hearing from a lot of my friends just some absolute horror stories about no front license plate on your car. And this product that I'm going to show you today is going to solve that problem, make your car street legal, and you're not going to have to drill into the car or do any kind of crazy modification. It goes on, it comes off really, really easily. So I think you're going to love it. I'm going to show you the unboxing and everything that comes with it. It comes with a really nice screwdriver. It's got everything you need to slap it on your car. It's super simple, and we're going to go over it together. So let's check it out. All right, so before we head over to the car, let's talk about the product first. Hopefully by now you've already seen some of the footage of me unboxing this, so you can see everything that comes in the package. I really haven't had a chance to check this out very much yet, but it is awesome. It looks like you can adjust the angle. I don't know, we're gonna get into all of this. I'm just excited to have a new toy to play with, honestly. It looks like it comes with some keys here, and there's a little lock here. And like I said, we'll check it all out together, and we're gonna put this together right now. So the first thing I need is my hardware. Oh, there we go. I covered it up with the instructions. So we're gonna open up this little baggie, see what we've got. That's great. Looks like some license plate screws. And yeah, so the instructions, it says, step 1, be sure to use the included tool. And so it looks like, yeah, so it looks like we're just going to take this bracket. I just need to find the right hardware. There we go, within the bracket there. And you'll see that there's a built-in nut there for the screw to catch, for the fastener. So I'm just going to kind of do this loosely by hand to start. My kit came with a Phillips head screwdriver. I don't know if maybe some of them come with different hardware, but that's what mine came with, and I'm delighted because I love having, I mean, you can never have too many Phillips screwdrivers. And flatheads too. I love them all. So as you can see, I've got these kind of started here, and you can also see the this part is on the inside, right? So the license plate kind of metal frame here goes on the outside of the inner bracket. Hope I'm describing that to you okay, and that you can see what it is I'm doing. I'm sure I'll get some comment that says, you know, that wasn't helpful at all. Gotta love the internet. I'm trying to be helpful. There we go. There you have it. Yeah, one of my friends was telling me that they heard that parking cops, like out here in the LA area, people weren't even getting pulled over for no front plate, but then when they'd park their car on a city street, they'd get a parking ticket for no front plate. So not cool, right? And yeah, I've got kind of dark windows and no front plate. I feel like I'm just asking for trouble. So this is great. And thank you, EVOOOR, for sending this out. I'm gonna sleep a little bit better knowing that I have this. And a friend of mine actually purchased one of these and loves it. He just said that it's such a great design and it's just been absolutely flawless. So that's good enough for me. And be sure to check the link in the description. I will have, of course, a link to this product and any kind of discount codes I can get you. Be sure to check that out. There we go. So I'm just gonna make sure that like this is nice and tight. Okay. Look at that. It's like ready to accept the plate. Now I have to find my front plate. Whatever. I'll deal with that. So the next step, what I did. So I just did it like this, as you can see, and plate is nice and secure. So, you know, I leave it up to you, your own taste. This made more sense to me. So now we're gonna put it on the car and see how it works. Okay, so I'm about to put it on the car, and I just kind of wanted to go over how this actually installs. So you're gonna locate the very center of your grill, you're gonna line this up, and then kind of put it into place. And then as you can see, these, if I turn this knob, it's kind of hard to see the angle, you can watch right here, it's actually moving and expanding. You see how the top one expands too? And then if I turn counterclockwise, that makes them kind of retract, so that way you can remove it. And then when you put the key in and you actually lock this unit, you can hear and see that this just spins freely. So pretty neat that you can actually lock this into place. I think that's awesome. So let's put it on the car. Okay, my friends, as you can see, here we are at the dirty front of my car. If you look right about here, and I'll try and zoom in on that, you can see right there. Don't focus on my finger. But yeah, you see where my finger was pointing? I think that's where we're gonna be aiming for. And we're gonna line up this part with that part. So I'll zoom out. We're gonna go ahead and do that right now. So I'm going to turn this counterclockwise and just get it as small as possible first. Yeah, so if you kind of angle it from the top in, that's going to be the play. So now I've got it, from what I can tell, it is lined up really well. I'm just going to turn this thing to the right, clockwise, sorry. Oh, look at that. That ain't going nowhere, man. Look at that. That's amazing. Now I'm going to lock it. Doesn't want to turn anyway, because I think I cranked it all the way down. But that looks terrific. I mean, for having a front license plate. Of course, not a fan of having a front plate, but really glad to have one now. And you can see it's a safe distance from the bumper. It's not going to scratch. And if we look down here, hopefully I can get you in a little bit closer. There you can see how it clamps in there. Just ingenious. That is super cool. Look at that. And it's really at a good price too. All right, y'all, well, that's about it. As you can see, that was super easy. Pick one up for yourself. Check the link in the description. Drop a comment down below. And what can I tell you? Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay driven.